Alright, so what I want to do in this video is talk a little bit about, well, continuation on the cost of production. We did the table problem, and now I want to do a little bit more of the word problem, and these are, in my opinion, are definitely harder than the table problem. It's a little bit harder to identify what you're supposed to do. So I think the best way is just to jump in. We'll just do a practice problem and see how I approach it. So Garth makes custom tailored suits. When he was making 15 suits per week, his total cost was $2,100. His average fixed cost was $80. When he later increased output to 16 suits per week, his total cost increased to $92. What is his average variable cost of producing 16 suits per week? So, like I said, I approach it very similarly. What do I want? I want to know the average variable cost of producing the 16th suit per week. So I'm going to write that down. Average variable cost of 16. What equation is that? Guess what? Variable cost of 16 divided by quantity. Well, we want to know what his average variable cost is. We don't know what that is, but we know what the quantity is. So we can plug that in already. So we know this is equal to 16. So now we need to know what is the variable cost of 16. Okay, any way we can figure this out? Well, the variable cost, so we know his average, so it says his total cost increased by $92 when he produced the 16. And we know his total cost of 15 was $2,100. So we know the total cost of 16 is equal to 2,100 plus 92, which is equal to 2,192. And if we remember back up here, equation 1, total cost is equal to variable cost plus fixed cost. So I'm using equation 1 right there. Okay, so we know total cost is 16. So we know total cost of 16 now. Now we just need to know the fixed cost of 16, and then we'll get the variable cost of 16. So we know the average fixed cost of 15. Now, like I said, common mistake here is people just say, I know what the average fixed cost is, so we're just going to apply 80 to just plug it in right here. No, this is the average fixed cost, not the fixed cost. It's different. So the average fixed cost is average fixed cost, divided up, what the heck am I doing? The fixed cost divided by quantity, and we know the quantity is equal to 15. Average fixed cost is 80 is equal to fixed cost divided by 15. So I do 15 times 80. Oh gosh, I'm doing mental math right now. 800, that's 5. 1,200? Yeah, 1,200 is equal to fixed cost of 15. Okay. And we know fixed cost of 15 has to be the same, so fixed cost of 16, so we can plug that in. So 2,192 is equal to what the heck am I doing? 1,200 plus variable cost of 16 minus 1,200 minus 1,200. This is 2. This is a lot of pressure. What is this, 99? You probably want to fact check that. I'm literally doing this all in my head. 992. I believe that. That makes sense, right? Because if I added 800, that'd be 22. Yeah, I believe that's right. So 992. So that's not my answer yet. I need the average variable cost. So I take 992 divided by 16. That should give me the average variable cost of 16. Oh geez, I definitely don't know this. This is when a calculator comes in handy. So 992 divided by 16. Would you look at that? 62. And that should be our answer. Did everyone see this? Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, Adam out.